10 Guitar Tips for Beginners to Shorten the Learning Curve. The guitar tips in this video will help you achieve the two goals that every beginner guitar student has. A. Being able to play in the shortest time possible. B. Enjoying the process of learning. If you're a beginner guitar student and share these two goals, the following tips are for you. 1. Find a good teacher, complement with the internet and books. Nowadays, you can access any form of information on how to play the guitar and music theory on the internet. But if you don't have a teacher to guide you through the process, it will take much longer to get where you want. 2. Buy a guitar that suits your needs. The main three types of guitars you'll be choosing from are: A. Acoustic guitar with steel strings. Start on this guitar if you want to play like guitar players who regularly use it, such as many singer-songwriters. B. Acoustic guitar with nylon strings / classical guitar. The classical guitar is played fingerstyle, as opposed to using a pick. C. Electric guitar. Starting on this guitar is ideal unless you want to specialize in acoustic or classical guitar playing. 3. Don't try to learn long pieces of music at once. Chuck small groups of notes and learn them in isolation rather than trying to learn a whole piece of music at once. 4. Set goals for every practice session. 5. Use a metronome, when necessary. Learn a piece of music without a metronome first, then turn it on to check if you can play it in time. 6. Learn things that are challenging, but reachable. 7. There are things you need to practice slower than slow. If a group of notes or a chord change is too difficult to play, practice them with your fingers moving in slow motion. 8. Don't worry too much about finger calluses. After a few weeks or months, calluses on your fingers will grow on their own. They aren't a big deal. If your fingers hurt, just take a break, during which you can practice your right hand or learn music theory. 9. Muscle memory matters more than finger strength. As you practice, you will build strength in your fingers. This is not as important as many beginner guitar students think. Learning to play the guitar is much more about your brain recognizing patterns and commanding your fingers to execute them at will than it is about building strength in your fingers. 10. Enjoy the process. When practicing the guitar becomes an enjoyable activity, nothing can stop you from becoming the guitar player you want to become. Click on the first link in the comments for the full article and subscribe to this channel for more videos on guitar playing, music theory, and songwriting.